Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll look at the economic calendar for today, assess the events, then we'll start our gold analysis. Today is March 17th, Thursday, and when we look at the events for today, we have high impacting news for Australian dollar at 6 a.m. Then as we come down 12:30 p.m. we have low impacting news for Swiss francs and medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs. Then at 5:30 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time we have high impacting news for British pound. Then at 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. 6:45 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. So these are all the events planned for today. So plan your trade entry and exit based on this economic calendar schedule. Let us start with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold. When we look at the price action in gold, it was on continuously in a very strong bullish trend. It tested the level of 2071 and it turned into a bearish trend. Currently when we notice the price action, it is finding resistance at the level of 1930 and taken support at the support level of 1892. When we look at this range between 1938 and 1892, this level had been very strong resistance level in the past. As we scroll more on the left side, we can notice that this level had acted as a resistance level, and this is the level from which the bearish trend reversal had happened in the past. So this level will be acting as a very strong resistance level and also the support level, preventing the currency pair from falling down on the bearish trend. So currently the price action is struggling to break these resistance levels. Once this resistance level is taken, we can expect the bullish trend to start in this currency pair. Next level is going to be around 2002 if it manages to break this resistance line. And when we look at the retracement level, we'll use the Fibonacci's retracement tool, and we can notice that currently the price action is trying to break the 50% retracement level from the high, and it is trading between the 50% and 61.80 level in Fibonacci's retracement tool. And there are chances for the price action to bounce back on the bullish side, because in the past we have seen price action bouncing back from these levels, and if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect a further fall and to take support at the 61.80 and 78.60 levels in the Fibonacci's retracement tool also. Currently the price action has retraced to the level where it started its bullish trend. So 100% retracement has been completed, considering this point as a starting point of the bullish trend. So these are all the resistance and the support levels for daily time frame. Let us wait and see which way the price action moves for today. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. Here when we notice the trend of the market, it was continuously on a very strong bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line, and went sharply on the bullish trend and tested the resistance level of 2071, and the bearish trend reversal had happened. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1927 and support level of 1893. And when we look at the candlestick formation, I had already notified in my yesterday's video analysis. It had formed a similar to an head and shoulder pattern, and it had broken this neck level or the support line, then started its bearish trend, and it has completed the 100% retracement of the head and shoulder pattern. So if the retracement has been completed, we can expect a bullish trend reversal, because head and shoulder pattern means trend reversal. So there are more chances for the bullish trend reversal. So for this, it has to break this resistance level of 1927, then only it can start its bullish trend. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways. It couldn't break this support level and it couldn't break this resistance level. Let us wait and see if the price action managed to break this resistance level. So when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, this trend line will be acting as a very strong resistance. So if the price action needs to go on a bullish trend reversal, it has to break this resistance level of 1962 in order to continue its bullish trend. Currently the price action has retraced and it is consolidating or moving on a sideways, trying to break this resistance level, and this is a very strong resistance level from the past price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways and consolidating. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks on the bullish side or if it continues its bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn the resistance line or the trend line for 30 minutes time frame also, and you can notice that it has broken this trend line and the price action is moving on a sideways, and the range is very big. It has to break this resistance level of 1929 in order to continue its bullish trend, and we have the next level of resistance which is going to be around 1923. Currently the price action is consolidating or moving on a sideways, and the price action has to break these support levels in order to continue its bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating at the resistance level of 1929. If it doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame, we have the higher time frame resistance levels and the support levels. Currently the price action has gone and tested the resistance level of 1929 and it couldn't break this resistance level. So presently it is moving on a sideways. If it doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal and to test this support level of 1909 from the daily time frame, and if it manages to break this support level, we can expect a further fall and to test this support level of 1891 from the higher time frame. But this whole area is a very strong resistance and support zone. Only when it breaks this area, we can expect a directional move in this currency pair. Until then, we can expect a sideways market to continue in gold. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is moving between the resistance level of 1929 and support level of 1921, and it has already completed its bullish trend. We can expect a bearish trend reversal and to test the first level of support, which is going to be around 1921, and if it breaks this 1921 level, we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1916. So that's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.